Hi, I think I'm coming back. I know I haven't made a video in probably 3 years, 4 years maybe. I don't know if it's been that long, but it's been a long time. And quite a few things have happened, especially over the past year, which I know some of you I'm friends with over on Facebook and probably have known what has gone on. But I finally hit my year mark of my it's not an accident, illness, I guess, from last March. But I guess I just wanted to come back. I'm kind of bored. I don't do as much work as I was doing. And so yeah, I figured I'm gonna start vlogging a little bit with my kids. They are getting a little bit bigger. And I feel like I don't have enough footage of them when they were younger. I don't know. So I want to start vlogging. I definitely still love makeup. Don't really do many unboxings. I don't really get anything, which is what I used to do a lot on my channel. But definitely will do stuff with makeup and but I've been watching mostly like cleaning videos and organizing videos, and so I might start doing some type of those types of videos. But yeah, I just wanted to get on and say I think I'm back. Because I hope I can keep up with it. But I figured since it's been so long and that I would just kind of introduce myself. My name's Ashley. I'm married. I've been married 17 years. And we have 6 kids, one who's passed away. So we have 5 living children, ranging from 16 to 7, almost 8. And we live in Colorado, and I don't know that, I don't want to say our life's boring, because how can it be boring with so many children and also with everything that we've been on? That I guess that's also what I wanted to talk about, is because of what I dealt with this past year with getting sick and recuperating. I had a lot of questions or concerns that I reached out over the internet and on YouTube, trying to find, like, you know, certain things that happened to me after I got home from the hospital and stuff. And I found like nothing talking about recuperation after having sepsis and extended hospital stays and therapy, that I kind of wanted to talk about that, because I feel like it's not really out there, and it'd be interesting for those that may go through something similar, worse, not as bad or whatever, but just to kind of know kind of what, or also if you have family that deal with it or friends, because the way to support them and stuff and deal with it. So I kind of want to do some videos on that. I also, because I had mentioned we had a child die, and we had our son die of SIDS 9 years ago. And again, there's not much videos or people talking about that online, and I'm not sure why, because it still happens. And anyways, so I'd like to talk about stuff like that. And again, also just a day in my life with all my kids and husband and stuff like that. But I guess this will just be my intro, and hopefully I'll be better about making videos more often and not get overwhelmed where I then disappear. So yeah, I think my first video might be my current makeup favorites, just because makeup is still my like #1 passion. And since it's been so many years, obviously a lot of things have changed. So that's probably what I'm going to film first, but just wanted to get this out there real fast. So hopefully I'll meet a bunch more of you, and that we'll be able to talk and catch up. And yeah, so we'll talk with you guys soon. See ya.